Hi there and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a guava mango sparkling spritzer. So let's get started. So the first step you're going to want to do the night before, you're going to add your chia seeds with some water. This will give it some time to expand. So just add it to a little jar, preferably with a lid, but if not, you don't need one. Just mix them up really well. I really like these mason jars because you don't really need to mix it. You can just kind of shake it up and you're good to go. All right, now that they're shaken up, all you have to do is stick them in the refrigerator overnight. So our next step is gonna be to make a really simple mango juice. So first, we are gonna take our mangoes and add them to the blender and just blend these until it's nice and smooth. So you might need to stop and mix it a little bit, which is totally okay to kind of get it going some more. Okay, so now that our mangoes are very nice and blended, we're gonna add in some agave. And then add in some water here. And again, we're just gonna mix this up until it's nice and smooth. So once your mango juice is nice and pureed with your water and agave in it, you're gonna wanna strain it to get out any of the extra pulp. This might take a little while. Don't do it all at once. Do about half and then clear out your strainer and then add another half in. So now that we have our mango juice, we're just gonna mix everything together. First step is to add 2 pumps of our mango craft puree into your glass. We have a ton of different flavors of craft puree, so you can use any one of those. Just mango is really fun and tropical-y. These are our chia seeds. They've been sitting overnight. They are really nice and expanded. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of these. They're gonna be a little slimy, so some of them will probably stick to your tablespoon measure, and that's okay. Then we will just pour about half of the glass. I like it a little bit more fruity, so maybe a little bit more than half of your glass with the mango juice. And then just top it off with some soda water. You can use flat water as well if you don't have any soda water. I really like the sparkling addition to this. And lastly, just stir it up. Make sure everything's nice and incorporated. You don't want one giant chunk of chia seeds. That's never fun. And of course, garnish with some beautifully fresh sliced mangoes. There you have it, a nice summery spritzer. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you make this at home, make sure to post it on your social media, tag us so we can check it out. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and our newsletter below. That'll keep you up to date with all of our new recipes, promos, and discounts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.